We all have a story to tell. This is my story. It is a story of perfect harmony between nature and product, of life in balance. Born out of the highest quality garments, created to give back to Earth as food for new life. 2 sweaters made by nature, for nature, using the purest and finest merino wool yarn. Tested by scientists, our yarn is certified as 100% biodegradable, so it can become a resource for the products and plants of tomorrow. Designed for ultimate comfort and lasting durability. It is the perfect mid-layer for the everyday adventurous lifestyle. By establishing Unborn, we want to fix the design flaw of the clothing industry, eliminate waste, and create a better world for future generations. To create a sweater that is sustainable from wool to garment, we examined every decision we made. And it all starts with creating healthier and better materials. Located at the foot of the Italian Alps and running on 100% renewable energy, the Botto Giuseppe family has been using their passion for product and nature to create premium quality natural yarns for more than 140 years. For the last decade, they have been combining their skill and research to build a chain of ethically sourced merino wool, free from harmful chemicals. Today, it is the only mill in the world to achieve a cradle-to-cradle gold certificate for woolen yarns, the world's most demanding certification for circular products. Classified as a superfine merino wool, it has extra long fibers, making it more durable and soft to the touch. And with its natural properties of breathability, temperature regulation, and moisture wicking, our merino yarn is the perfect combination of sustainability, quality, and performance. Using the right materials is the first part in fixing the design flaw. The second part is creating a sweater that will stand the test of time. A well-made product can replace many badly made ones, and it requires patience and craftsmanship to create longer-lasting products. From raw wool to garment, the sweaters are made in Italy. They have a tailored cut that make for an athletic fit, providing freedom of movement, and with 10 sizes, we offer the perfect fit. The panels are made from an extra tight mid-weight knit to further increase durability. A double-layered neck collar and extra long cuffs on the sleeves create additional comfort and prevent stretching and sagging that is common with knitted garments. A perfect mid-layer for year-round wear, designed to look great, feel great, and made to stay that way, wear after wear. No waste, no damage. Slow, paced, pure products. The perfect harmony between nature and product. That's our story. Experience it with me. Be at one with nature. Become Unborn.